everyone. Today we are going to discuss the concept of dying declaration given under section 26 clause A of Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam. Indian Evidence Act में section 32 subsection 1 deals with the same concept. याद रखिए section 32 in toto dying declaration नहीं है. The same way section 26 पूरा dying declaration नहीं है. It is only clause A which deals with the concept of dying declaration. Dying declaration का मतलब है a statement whether it is written or verbal which is made by a person as to the cause of his death or as to any of the circumstances of the transaction which resulted in his death. तो याद रखेंगे कि dying declaration तभी relevant fact होगा जब जिसकी स्टेटमेंट को हम कंसिडर कर रहे हैं वो मर चुका हो एंड द स्टेटमेंट डील्स विद द कॉज ऑफ हिज डेथ एंड द सर्कमस्टेंसेस व्हिच रिजल्टेड इन हिज डेथ. तो इसका मतलब है कि जो मैक्सिम है नेमो मोरिटरिस प्रिजम्पटा मेंटायर, it does not fully apply here in India, which means that the person may be or may not be under the apprehension of death, because the act clearly says that the statements are relevant whether the person who made them was or was not at the time when they were made under expectation of death. और यहीं पर ही इंग्लिश लॉ और इंडियन लॉ में डिफरेंस आता है कि इंग्लिश लॉ में इट इज believed that the statement will be considered as a relevant fact only when it is given under the apprehension of death. But in India, whether or not you were under the apprehension, the statement will be considered as a relevant fact. The landmark judgment on this is Pakla Narayan Swamy versus King Emperor. So you can read the relevant judgment and we'll continue with this in the next lecture. Thank you so much.